There are some stories that are difficult to read, and then there are stories that leave an entire community asking one painful question: could this tragedy have been prevented? On August 5th, 2026, Bangalore University lost one of its own. Manasa, a student of the Department of Visual Arts, lost her life in a tragic road accident inside the university campus, a place where students come to learn, dream, and build their future, not where families expect to receive heartbreaking news. Her death has deeply affected students, parents, teachers, faculty members, alumni, and citizens. Justice is not only about finding out what went wrong, it is also about making sure it never happens again. Let's take a closer look at what this petition demands and why thousands believe this tragedy must become a turning point for Bangalore University. In response, a public petition titled "Justice for Manasa, Make Bangalore University Campus Safe Before Another Life is Lost" has been launched. The petition has been addressed to the Chief Minister of Karnataka, the Minister for Higher Education, the Vice Chancellor of Bangalore University, the Commissioner of Police, Bengaluru City, the Directorate of Collegiate Education, the Karnataka State Higher Education Council, and other concerned departments. According to the petition, Manasa's death has once again exposed long-standing concerns over road safety, traffic management, pedestrian infrastructure, and emergency medical response within the Bangalore University campus. It states that her death should become a turning point for meaningful reforms rather than another forgotten statistic. The petition seeks fair and adequate financial compensation for Manasa's family, full reimbursement of all medical expenses related to the accident wherever applicable, and the appointment of a dedicated university officer to assist the family with all legal, administrative, and compensation related procedures. It also calls for immediate road safety measures, including allowing only authorized vehicles, emergency services, and essential public transport where required, enforcing a campus-wide speed limit of 15 to 20 km per hour, installing raised pedestrian crossings, scientifically designed speed breakers, and rumble strips, conducting a comprehensive road safety audit, developing dedicated pedestrian pathways, improving street lighting, installing reflective road signs, speed limit boards, and a CCTV surveillance at accident-prone locations, and ensuring strict speed enforcement for every vehicle entering the campus. To strengthen emergency preparedness, the petition demands a fully equipped emergency medical response center, a 24/7 ambulance stationed within Bangalore University, emergency response personnel trained in trauma care, clearly displayed emergency helpline numbers, and regular emergency preparedness drills for students, faculty, and staff. For long-term safety, the campaign urges Bangalore University to implement a comprehensive campus road safety policy featuring regular road safety inspections, annual infrastructure audits, student and faculty representation on safety committees, continuous road safety awareness campaigns, periodic reviews of accident-prone areas, and public progress reports on the implementation of safety measures. The petition notes that thousands of students, researchers, faculty members, employees, and visitors travel across the campus every day. It argues that educational institutions have a responsibility to provide a safe learning environment and that preventable road accidents should never become part of campus life. Finally, the petition urges the government of Karnataka and the Bangalore University administration to act immediately, stating that justice is not only about investigating what happened, but also about ensuring that such a tragedy never happens again. It calls upon students, parents, faculty members, alumni, and concerned citizens to sign the petition in support of Manasa's family, accountability, and lasting campus safety reforms. The campaign ends with a simple but powerful message: justice for Manasa, safe campuses, save lives. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.